Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I have another Vivaia unboxing and try on haul for you guys. And if you haven't heard of Vivaia, they are an incredible shoe wear brand where they make great quality shoes and are extremely eco-friendly, sustainable, all that great stuff. I've done a couple other review hauls for them before. Honestly, at this point, I feel like I exclusively wear their shoes into the office. They are the perfect office wear shoe, in my opinion. They are just so comfortable and I love how stylish and chic they are. But before we get into the unboxing and try on of the shoes, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so jumping right on into the unboxing. So first up, here they are. So the box on this is so cute. It has step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable Vivaia. And on this side, you can see that it's made from recycled materials. And it's so incredible that not only their shoes, but their packaging as well is all eco-friendly, sustainable, made of recycled materials. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, that was harder than it looked, and then it became really easy. So here we are opening it up, and then on the inside you can see that these shoes were created with 6 plastic water bottles. So that is kind of their thing, making shoes out of water bottles, which is seriously so crazy. Amazing. And then when you open this up, you actually get some goodies in here and not just shoes. So inside there's this little measuring tape stick thing, this little measuring component. So if you got the wrong size, you need to like resize your foot. Here this is very useful. And then I'll show you guys too, the actual tissue paper in here has Vivaia branding on it as well as the sticker. And it's also made of recycled materials. Just putting this down to see our shoe. Here she is. So cute. So go ahead and take it out of the packaging. I also missed this little goodie here. There's a little shoe care card. Very nice, very helpful. So just taking this out of the box. Here it is all wrapped up and packaged. And I'll go ahead and take off the little tissue paper here, which I do have a puppy now. I don't know if you guys knew this, life update. So I am like really conscious about all of the little like papers and stuff that I take out of clothing items now because he will literally get into anything and everything. But yeah, so I'm like a little more aware of where all the packaging goes. So I'm going to put this right back in the box so he does not get into it. Go ahead and take out the little shoe. I don't even know what this is called. I think I've said this before. This little like shoe shaper, keeper of the shape. Very nice. There's also a little bit of paper on the bottom as well. And this is her unpackaged completely. And this design is so cute. I mean, look at that. It has this little fun crisscross detail to it. It has the cutest little bow on the top and then same trim detail just all around this part of the shoe. And then the heel on this is so cute. It's just a little kitten heel. And like I told you, when it comes to office wear shoes, I exclusively wear these at this point in my life. I exclusively wear Vivaia, and it is because they are such cute shoes and so comfortable. So this kitten heel is literally perfect for the office, perfect for anybody who wants that cute heeled look but doesn't want the terrible heel experience. Yeah, so these are so comfortable, and the kitten heel again is just so cute on this and just gives such a chic and elegant look to it. Also on the inside there is this extra like plush padding you can see here, and then honestly just all throughout this is so plush and comfortable. And then there's also extra plush padding around the heel of the shoe, which I don't know about you guys, but whenever I kind of break in a new pair of shoes, that's definitely where I get the most rubbing and blister zone. So having that extra bit of cushion around here actually makes a huge difference for me, and I think is just so comfortable. But yeah, really love just the design of this one. And you can see it does have a little V kind of stitched right here, a little bit of branding, but nothing too in your face, very subtle. But yeah, honestly, this design is so beautiful in my opinion. I think it is so cute, and the shoe itself is actually this knit material, which most of their shoes are this material, and I think again it is so comfortable. It is very stylish as well, and honestly can kind of give a great like springy summer look to it with it being woven. So let me grab the second shoe and you can see both of them side by side. There's a second shoe to get a full pair, and again wrapped up all the same. But yeah, so here they are together in a little pair, and yeah, honestly so cute, so stylish. I know I've been saying this is my like exclusive office wear shoe, but they honestly are really cute, especially now going into springtime, spring dresses. I feel like these are so cute to wear out. So not just an office shoe, but a recreational shoe as well, or if you've got some events you're going to and you want to dress it up a little bit and you don't want it to be uncomfortable, these are also a great option. Yeah, so this is my first pair, and now moving on to the next one. And these guys, passing them off to the side. They're so cute though. So sorry. We'll be back. We'll be back for you. Love you guys. Okay. Moving on. All right, moving on to our next pair. Here is the box. And again, here is the similar box to the first one. All recycled materials. Step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable Vivaia. And then go ahead and open it up again. Okay, got it. It just like gets caught in there sometimes. I think that's the problem. Maybe it's just me. All right, opening it up again. We've got our little shoe care card, and then the same little measuring tape stick paper. Very helpful. And then we've also got the same tissue paper with the Vivaia branding on it with the sticker. And so I'll go ahead, open up the shoes themselves. Here we are. Little sneak peek here. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the box. Here it is. And this one actually has a little like stick thing to keep everything in place, as opposed to the like cardboard one. I don't know if that matters to anybody, but just letting you know, giving a thorough review. So I'll go ahead and take off all of this packaging. Same little stuff down here. All right, here we go. Here it is, completely unboxed. This design is honestly so cool. Honestly, very different from the first one. So this has a more square toe box, and then the heel is a similar height to the kitten heel, but a lot more chunkier. So definitely gives a different look to the shoe, and I feel like this one could be seen as maybe a little bit more casual since it doesn't have as sleek of a heel as the last one. Also, this does have the same woven material that makes up the shoe, also made of recycled water bottles. And this one has almost like more of a ribbed detail though in the shoe design. So you can see here. I feel like that also helps the shoe maybe lean again a little bit more casual depending on how you style it and dress it up or down. But I do like that variety to it. And let me grab the second shoe to complete the pair. So here is our second shoe. Go ahead and take off that packaging. All right, and then here they are together as the perfect pair. So you can see these are a lot more simple when it comes to pattern on the design, but I feel like the design itself is so cool and very different. So again, you do get that more squared toe, you get a chunky heel on it, and I think that makes these really interesting shoes. And even though a little bit more simple in coloring, I feel like just the general shape and design of these shoes definitely make them a focal point in your outfit. So I really like that. Also, similar to the last ones, there is a lot of extra padding in the actual shoe itself, and also has the similar padding around the heel, so no break-in necessary. Also, this one's like really soft too. You can even see like it's pretty squishy, just the fabric on its own, so that makes it very comfortable to wear, not stiff at all, which I feel like sometimes with new shoes they can also tend to be really stiff. and that adds another level of them being uncomfortable, but these ones are so soft and so comfortable just right off the bat. And yeah, again, these are perfect to wear to the office, or if you want to wear it with a spring dress. I think these are really pretty. I do think they also go really well with jeans, more of a casual look, and just perfect for springtime. These also come in a lot of different colors. I don't know why, I was kind of on a black shoe kick when I got these, so got 2 pairs of black shoes. I actually do really like having black shoes in my wardrobe, mostly because when I wear a lot of workwear outfits, I do tend to have black bottoms, so black pants or black skirts, and I feel like the black shoes look a little bit more seamless in my outfit, as opposed to kind of pairing like a black pant with tan shoes. That kind of gives a bit more of a contrast, and the black on black I think is a little bit easier on the eye, kind of more elongating in the look. So I definitely do recommend, if you are kind of wearing a lot of black slacks or black pants to work, having a black shoe to go with them. Yeah, I honestly really do like just the sleekness of the plain black. It's very easy to style, super elegant, and still has some fun funkiness with just the shape of the shoe and the heel. But yeah, so this is our second pair of shoes. I think they are so cute, and I literally cannot wait to wear these to the office. Way too much. Alright, so that was me doing a full unboxing and review of Vivaia sustainable footwear. Like I said before, I am so in love with Vivaia shoes. I think they are so comfortable and chic and stylish, and that is not even the best part. They are also extremely eco-friendly, sustainable, so it just feels good to shop where you know you're helping the environment and making conscious choices. And also, like I said, these are incredible workwear shoes, so if you're looking for a brand to just think up with your workwear outfits, these are perfect, so comfortable and stylish. Thank you again to Vivaia for sending me these shoes. If you want to pick up a pair for yourself, try them out, see what the hype is about. I do have a discount code for you guys. You can use code TARA to save 10%, which is a great deal in my opinion. I also have both pairs of shoes that I tried on today specifically linked down below, as well as just a link to their website in general. They have so many more pairs of shoes on their site, so many different fun colors, perfect for springtime. Definitely worth checking out their site. So if you enjoyed this unboxing review style video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below which pair was your favorite. Are you guys more team Melody or team Natasha? Also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.